6.Thing to keep secret.
1. Don't share your plan with anyone.
Security. Sharing detailed plans with others can increase the risk of them falling into the wrong hands. This is particularly important when it comes to sensitive or confidential information, such as financial or personal data. 2. Don't talk about the intimate details of your lifestyle. It can make you a target for predators. When you share personal information about yourself, you are making yourself a target for predators. Predators can use this information to find you and exploit you. It can make you feel uncomfortable. Sharing intimate details about your lifestyle can make you feel uncomfortable. If you are not comfortable talking about something, you should not do it. 3. Never talk about how heroic you are. It can come across as bragging. When you talk about your own heroism, it can make you seem arrogant and self-centered. People are more likely to respect you if you let your actions speak for themselves. It can make you seem like you're trying to make yourself look good. When you talk about your own heroism, you're essentially trying to convince people that you're a good person. This can be seen as manipulative and insincere. 4. Never declare how enlightened you are. It can come across as arrogant. When you declare your own enlightenment, it can make you seem arrogant and self-righteous. People are more likely to respect you if you let your actions speak for themselves. It can make you seem like you're trying to prove something. When you declare your own enlightenment, it can make you seem like you're trying to prove something to yourself or to others. This can be seen as insecure and desperate. 5. Never talk about family problems. It can damage your relationships. If you talk about your family problems with someone who is not close to you, they may not understand the situation, or they may judge you or your family. This can damage your relationships with them and make it harder to talk to them in the future. 6. Don't bring unpleasant things you've heard. It can make people feel uncomfortable. If you're talking about something that's upsetting or disturbing, it can make the other person feel bad. They may not want to think about it, or they may not know how to respond. It can start an argument. If you're talking about something that's controversial, it can easily lead to an argument. People may have strong feelings about the topic, and they may not be willing to listen to your point of view.